Today's topic is about digestion of nucleic acid, particularly DNA and RNA. So what are the diet? Mostly nucleated cell that is containing this nucleic acid, mostly non-vegetarian and dairy products that is containing abundant amount of this nucleic acid. So from that, what are the foodstuff? Nucleated cell from that DNA and RNA is separated with the help of pancreatic and intestinal secretion, which is containing ribonuclease and deoxyribonuclease enzyme that will convert this DNA and RNA molecule up to the level of nucleotides. Now there is one more enzyme, nucleotidases, that will convert this nucleotide into the nucleoside and phosphate molecule. Further, there is a nucleosidases enzyme are present that will convert these nucleosides into the nitrogenous base and pentose sugar. Now already you are knowing that different nitrogenous bases, they are the purine and pyrimidine. Purine, particularly adenine and guanine, they will be lastly metabolized up to the level of uric acid, while pyrimidine, in that cytosine, thymine and uracil. So thymine, that will be converted into the beta amino isobutyrate or butyric acid, while cytosine and uracil are mostly converted into the beta alanine. Along with that, carbon dioxide and ammonia is generated. Now all these are catabolized. So whatever the nucleic acid which is taken in the diet is never utilized for any other purpose. So not utilized inside our body for that RNA DNA formation or any other new nucleoside or nucleotide formation from that dietary sources. So that's all about the digestion occurring inside our body for the nucleic acid.